Is your family road trip turning your minivan into a rolling landfill? Stop relying on flimsy grocery bags hooked on the gear shift. Today, we are looking at the top 3 best leak-proof car trash cans. First up is the Hoter car trash can. This is the ultimate workhorse for soggy juice boxes. It features a 2-gallon capacity and 100% waterproof inner lining. It has a rubber grommet lid, so you can toss trash without unzipping. Plus, the side mesh pockets are great for extra storage. Next is the Lusso Gear Car Trash Can for premium interiors. If you have leather seats, you will love this high-quality Oxford fabric bin. It holds 2.5 gallons and will not collapse easily. Our favorite feature is the removable, washable inner liner. Just lift the liner out at a gas station, dump it, and pop it back. Third is the Drive Auto Car Trash Can. Minivan owners with captain's chairs need to keep the aisle clear. This clever, semi-rigid bin fits snugly without blocking the walkway. It includes 20 custom-fit disposable liner bags. The magnetic closure on the top lid keeps heavy items inside securely. Bonus tip: get the Pulley Diki car cleaning gel. Press this putty into cup holders and air vents to grab hidden dust and crumbs. Pair it with your leak-proof trash bin for a perfectly clean car. Which trash can is right for you? Click the link in the description or comments to read our full review.